Hey YouTube, let's do this Zela Day song called Golden. I'll do a playthrough, then I'll teach it to you. Right there's all the parts. Right, so the song starts out. The verse is D minor 7, A minor 7. There's two verses at the beginning. So it stays on that for a while. So after two verses, then you can do a walk down, chromatic. So we just go A minor 7, the 5th, use the same shape at the 4th, and then G minor 7 at the 3rd. Then it goes back to A minor 7. G minor 7, and then transition to the chorus. That is C, then C sharp minor 7, and then it goes to F. D minor 7, G minor 7, C. That's the chorus. F major, D minor 7, G minor 7. C is a major. It's always a major in this song. C and F are the major chords. Most everything else is minor 7. Yeah. For the sound, I have my treble kind of rolled off pretty. Like here's my treble on full. So I have that rolled down because it's just too much. And I just have like a jazzy, clean sound. Alright, thanks for watching. Have fun playing it. Bye.